IELTS Speaking Part 1. Running. Question. Do you like running? Answer. Yes, I absolutely love running. It's not just a form of exercise for me but also a way to clear my mind and rejuvenate myself. Question. Where do you usually go running? Answer. I typically head to the park near my house. It's a beautiful green space with well-maintained paths, which makes my running experience more enjoyable. Question. How often do you run? Answer. I try to squeeze in 2 runs a week, usually on the weekends when I have more free time. Sometimes, if I have time during the week, I might do a shorter jog around the neighborhood. Question. Do you think running is a good way to stay healthy? Answer. I definitely do. It's a fantastic form of cardio that benefits both your physical and mental health. It strengthens your heart, boosts your mood, and helps manage stress. Plus, it's accessible and requires minimal equipment, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. Question. When was the last time you went running? Answer. The last time I went running was just this past Sunday. It was a refreshing experience to be outdoors, breathing in the fresh air and feeling the cool breeze on my face. The run left me feeling energized and invigorated, ready to take on the week ahead with renewed enthusiasm.